Stand by, I'll have a plate for your 20. Go ahead, light them up. 20 from K921, copy an MPI. Go ahead. It's going to be like a light greenish, bluish color, four-door sedan. Trooper 3 is going to have it just darked out. It's going to be westbound 96 Whipple Lane.
I think he's in the clear. Probably going back home, but he's through Glastonbury now. Doing like 45.
Sorry, 09, trailing behind him. I don't see him. Following closest.
Through Fielding, still west on Pier 10, slowing down a little bit. And pulling to driveway on Pier 10, just west of Fielding. The drive up, the garage is on the north-hand side. Looks like he opened the garage up, trying to get a description. Can't, it's too dark. Male putting a car in the garage right now. It's the corner house of Pier 10 and Fielding. Pier 10 and Fielding on the that garage right there.
No and no on an 08 Pontiac G8.